Hello friends, welcome back and learn adjectives in English Urdu starting from the alphabets E to F. So let's start our video with this first word, that is elaborate. Wasi ya tafsil. She told me everything in an elaborate way. Elastic. We want to purchase an elastic ball. Elated. खुशी या मसरूर. Many people were elated on this occasion. Elderly, buzurg. There was a separate room for elderly patients. Elegant, खूबसूरत. She was eager to buy an elegant watch. Elementary, ibtidai. My elementary hobby was to traveling. Elliptical है बेजवी या अंडे की तरह गोल. Maybe some planets are elliptical. Embarrassed, शर्मिंदा. I am embarrassed to tell you that it will be difficult for me. Embellished, ज़ेब ज़ीनत या सिंघारना. The house was embellished with many fancy lights. Eminent, नामवर या नुमाया. It was an eminent breakthrough in medicine field. Emotional, जज्बाती. She gave an emotional sense in her talk. Enchanted, जादू किया हुआ. She had an enchanted look. Enchanting, दिलफरेब या मुतासिर कुन. They were impressed by that enchanting view. Energetic, जोशीला या मुस्तनद. He proved to be an energetic candidate. Enormous, बहुत ज़्यादा. He distributed enormous candies to the kids. Enraged, मुश्ताइल या गुस्सीला. It was very difficult to control enraged mob. Entire, पूरा. I cannot tell you the entire story. Envious, hasad. It seems to be an envious look. Equal, बराबर. Your son will get equal share from total income. Essential, ज़रूरी. Vitamin D is an essential element for calcium absorption. Esteemed, काबिल कदर. My esteemed customer is here. Ethical, अखलाकी. This job is not ethical. Euphoric, बहुत खुशी महसूस करने वाला. It is time to be euphoric. Evergreen, सदाबहार. He looks evergreen. Everlasting, लाजवाल. I will always remember your everlasting support. Evil, बुराई. Try to refrain from doing evil. Exalted, बुलंद या मुमताज़. She was exalted to the position of president. Excited, बहुत ही पुरजोश. We watched the excited man on the beach. Exciting, दिलचस्प. We heard the exciting song. exemplary, misali, I am impressed by her exemplary dare. Exhausted, थका हुआ, please let him rest, he is exhausted today. Exotic, गैर मुल्की, अजनबी, she bought an exotic perfume. Expensive, महंगा, it is expensive residential area. Experienced, तजर्बाकार, we hired an experienced carpenter. Expert, mahir, he is expert in mining field. Extra large, इजाफी बड़ा, extra large shirt suits him. Extraneous, खारजी या बैरूनी, we faced an extraneous problems. Extroverted, वो शख्स जो बाहर की चीज़ों से ज़्यादा दिलचस्पी रखता हो. Let me introduce you my extrovert fellow. Fabulous, शानदार, it was of course a fabulous party. Faint, बेहोश, the patient was faint when he was brought in hospital. Fair, मुंसिफाना, she convinced her father of fair decision. Faithful, वफादार, you are lucky that you got faithful friend. Fake, जाली, the judge was presented the fake documents. False, झूठा या गलत, she always hated the false statement. Familiar, वाकिफ, are you familiar with each other? Famous, मशहूर, my uncle was a famous poet. Fantastic, लाजवाब या हैरत अंगेज, it was the fantastic deal. Thanks for watching.